Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the color of your electric border effect on CapCut PC. So for instance, you want the border to be the same as your video. It's going to group them, and then you are going to go to effects and you're going to select spark, and as you can see you have these borders, but they're in different colors. And for instance, I want the flame to match the video, so basically just add it to your video. Here you can sort of adjust the size as well, and then here you can adjust the colors of the flame, of the borders, and you can also adjust the filters, the strength of the border as well. But I'm just going to stick for this with this one. Again, you can also do it for this electro heart one. Change it to a similar color, and I'm also going to change the size. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!